Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious gravy without a blender. Many people think a blender is essential for smooth gravy, but that's simply not true. We'll focus on classic techniques that deliver perfect results every time. You'll be surprised how easy it is to create a velvety gravy with just a few basic items from your kitchen. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You'll need pan drippings from your roast, or butter and broth if you don't have drippings. Flour or cornstarch will act as your thickener. The most important tool is a good whisk. It's your secret weapon against lumps. A reliable saucepan or skillet will also make the process much smoother. If you're finding these gravy tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more cooking guides. Speaking of smooth, imagine reading your favorite book smoothly on the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for any recipe book or novel. You can find the link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the technique. Begin by making a roux. Combine equal parts fat and flour in your pan and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes until it's golden. Then, slowly pour in your liquid, whisking constantly to prevent lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, continuing to whisk occasionally. The gravy will thicken as it cooks, usually within 5 to 7 minutes. Season it to taste and serve warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.